Hey, what's going on? Dan Bradley here, and welcome inside this Commission Map Pro review. Now, in this review video, I want to share with you guys exactly what this software is really all about. Show you inside the membership area, show you exactly what you're going to be getting for your investment. Now, Commission Map Pro, in a nutshell, is a software and training combination. This is going to give you everything you need to make sales as an affiliate marketer. Now, in just a few minutes, we're going to go over and take a look at the software, take a look at all the training. I'm going to go through exactly what you're going to be getting. But before we go over that, I just want to cover off some of the additional bonuses, some of the additional value that I've stacked, that I've put together, if you decide to pick this product up through the link below. Now, I know some of you are going to be hopping between different videos and different affiliates to see who's got the best bonuses. So let's cover off those bonuses right now, and then we'll dive into the system and we'll take a look at exactly what you're going to be picking up. Now, at any point throughout this video, if you've had enough of me talking, you simply drop down into the description below, click on that link, and that's going to bring you over to a page that looks like this. So this is my Commission Map Pro review page. And if you scroll on down, it's going to give you a little bit more information about the software and information about those custom bonuses that we've put together to make sure that when you pick up Commission Map Pro through us, you actually get all of the missing ingredients, all of the missing pieces that you need to see great success with this method. Now, bonus number one is the Affiliate Traffic Masterclass, okay? Traffic. This is literally what is going to make or break your ability to make decent commissions in affiliate marketing. Okay, if you can make sure that you're getting sufficient traffic, then you're going to make good sales. Without traffic, you obviously are not going to make anything. So again, this is going to really give you a massive advantage over anybody else picking up just Commission Map Pro without these bonuses. Bonus number two then is the Email Marketer's Secret Guide. Now, what this is going to be talking about is showing you how the money is in the list and how to build a list of what I call loyal cherubs. These are people that actually love you, they would love to hear from you, they're ready, they're responsive, and they want to buy what you're selling. So it's not just about building this big email list with, tens of thousands of people. It's about building an email list of loyal subscribers that actually are engaged and want to hear what you've got to say. So that's going to be bonus number two. Bonus number three is the 24-hour income emergency guide. Now, imagine you find yourself in a situation where you urgently need cash and you need to do it in just 24 hours. Maybe you've got a bill coming up, maybe there's something that's happening and you need to be able to generate some fast money in 24 hours. Well, this guide is going to show you exactly how to do that and how to basically profit very, very quickly. Bonus number four is the Facebook Ads Masterclass. Now, inside of Commission Pro, I'll show you in just a moment the software, and you'll see that one of the things it can do is recommends you which products you can use to run Facebook ads to drive the traffic into. Now, so many people fail with Facebook ads because they don't have the right training. It means they go into it, they're spending money, maybe they're boosting posts, which is a bad idea. All of these things that are happening and they're not making a great return on investment. So we're going to go over in this masterclass everything that there is basically from complete start to finish of creating Facebook ads. Bonus number five is the Funnel Builder Workshop. Now, this is the next piece for Commission Map Pro, okay? So Commission Map Pro is going to help you find what they call these ugly ducklings. It's going to help you find these offers that you can promote. And it's going to give you some training. It's going to help you to do that. And of course, all of the training that we're giving you in the bonuses is also going to 10x those results. But if you really want to build a full-time income, a full business that you can kind of let run on almost autopilot, then you need to be using funnels. Now, I'm sure you probably know what a funnel is, right? So you drop somebody in at the top. That could be from a Facebook ad, it could be from a YouTube video, it could be from an email list. Doesn't matter where they've come from. They've come into the top of the funnel, and you basically present them with a type of offer or a giveaway or something, and then they move down the funnel. Okay, and that's kind of how the funnel works, right? That's exactly what we're going to show you how to do in your business to craft out your own funnel. So if you can craft out your own funnels, it's very easy for you to spend, $1 on traffic and get several dollars out the bottom, okay? And some of our top performing funnels, for every dollar we spend in ads, we make $8 out the bottom. So I basically spend $10 and I make $80, right? Which of course you can keep doing every single day, day in, day out, right? So that's bonus number 5. Bonus number 6 is ClickBank Secrets. Now, ClickBank is one of the biggest marketplaces online, great for affiliates, high commission rates, and they manage all of the payments and make sure that you get paid. So very, very easy, and very quick to get set up on. It's completely free to get an account over on ClickBank if you don't already have one. And this is going to basically give you everything that you need to make these sales and get paid the commissions. And again, the beauty of this is that you don't need a PayPal account, any of that. ClickBank handles all the payments on behalf of the vendor and keeps the affiliate commissions for you, and then it'll pay you via either check or via online banking, so via direct transfer, direct deposit into your bank account. All right, so you don't need a PayPal, you don't need Payoneer, you don't need any of that type of stuff. You don't need your own merchant accounts, and yet you can still profit online. All right, so that's a very, very good system. Bonus number 7 is the Viral Studio software. Now, this is a software that was released in 2019. It was released last year, and this is really going to help you guys to generate traffic. Okay, it's all about traffic. This is a software. It was previously launched. It's helped thousands of people already, and it's going to help you too. And finally, bonus number 8, we've really stacked the bonuses, guys. You'll notice we've done double the amount of bonuses we normally do on this one. Bonus number 8 is the Traffic Robot software. And again, this is going to help you basically push button easy to get traffic, leads, and sales. So this is going to help, again, when plugged in with the Commission Map Pro software, this is going to massively help to 10x your results. Now, all 8 of these bonuses that you see here will be available when you pick up the front end version of Commission Map Pro. However, there are some upgrades. Okay, there's 5 upgrades, and I suggest you watch all of those upgrade videos and consider which one are going to be right for you. Now, upgrade number 1 is what they call the Unthrottled Edition. All right. Now, in the front end version, you get 20 daily searches. In the unthrottled version, of course, they give you completely unlimited amounts of that, okay? Now, personally, I think 20 is probably going to be enough for you. I don't think you're going to need this upgrade. So I would personally save the money and look into the next upgrades. That's what I would personally recommend. Upgrade number 2 then is the CMP, Commission Map Pro, monetization sites at $97. Now, what this allows you to do basically is, rather than that traffic coming in, maybe they buy, maybe they don't, and then it's gone forever, this is basically going to be a way that you can actually retarget them. So you're going to be able to add these people into opt-in lists, into email lists, and then you're going to be able to market to them over and over again. So this is a software, and this is definitely a really great opportunity, because what you want to be doing is keeping those leads, okay? Leads have a value, and you really want to keep them so that you can try, if they don't buy on the first time, that's fine. You can, maybe they'll buy on the second email, third email, maybe 100 days down the line, you'll send them an email and something will just resonate with them and go, yeah, this is what I want. And then you've made money from that lead, right? So that's why you want to have this additional extras. That's $97. Upgrade number 3 is the software suite. Now, this is an insane offer. $197 one time, and this is going to give you access to all of Jamie's softwares that he has created. Okay, you're getting the whole farm. Now, he's got things from searching for expired domain names, there's YouTube tools, there's video related tools, there's affiliate tools, there's so much tools and software in that suite. $197 one time, you get the lot. All right, so that's a pretty cool offer. Upgrade number 4 is $297. This is the weekly webinars. This is basically a weekly webinar with Jamie, and of course, he's going to actually work with you, one-on-one, in the group to get you to that 13k per month mark. Okay, which I think you'd agree, 13 grand a month is pretty decent. It's definitely going to help change a lot of lives. So that's the first step there that he's going to do. Weekly webinars, $297 one time. You get to join Jamie, and of course, not only are you going to help, he's not only going to help push you, he's also going to keep you accountable to make sure that you're implementing what he's teaching. So that's $297, and then finally, you've got $197, which is the downloads, where you can download Jamie's videos to use in your own VSLs ads or whatever else, which I don't think you're going to need that. So personally, what I would recommend there would be upgrades 2, 3, and 4. They would be the upgrades that I personally would want to pick up on this, because I think they're going to give you the most amount of value and obviously going to get you the best results with Commission Map Pro. Now on this page here, all you need to do is smash any of these little red buttons here. That's going to wing you guys over to the sales page, where you can get more information, of course, about the product and secure this and all those custom bonuses. Now let's dive into the membership area. So this is what you're going to see here inside of Commission Map. This is the membership area. And first of all, you're going to have a welcome video. All right, so you can watch this welcome video, and they've put a few free bonuses and things like that down below as well. Now the software itself is going to find some offers for you. So you want to go in here under find offers, and this is going to start bringing out some offers for you. It's going to give you what the payout is, what the commission rate is, and of course you can filter by commission rate. All right, it's going to give you what the categories are. You can obviously go ahead and find keywords, and then it's going to show you what the traffic sources can be. So Facebook ads, Google ads, Craigslist is a decent enough traffic source. Now, most of this stuff here that you're going to see is coming out through ClickBank. Okay, that's going to be the network that's going to be, and you can clearly see here some of these are pretty awesome. Okay. And what you want to do with these particular offers, guys, and this is actually something that I'm actually creating a course on actually at the moment, we're going to have coming out in the next few weeks, is you actually want to create varying different little traffic pockets for those niches. Okay, so create a niche that's all about health, all about well-being, and then you can create several bits of content to promote several different products, all within that same niche bracket. So you do need to pick a niche and do that, but you can go through here and you're going to be able to find all of these offers. Okay, and you can do searches and things like that if you want to, or you can scroll through here. Now, in addition to that, you've got all of the training that you need to be able to actually make decent money promoting products as an affiliate. So it's going to show you basically choosing winning products, so how to pick the offers, where to get hold of all the marketing materials, what's a JV page, how to use a JV page, how to promote JV webinars. So all of that stuff in there is going to show you how to actually choose the offers. Then he's going to go on and talk about traffic methods. So you've got forum traffic, Facebook groups, Facebook lives, Facebook's like personal profile, how to get 50,000 subscribers on YouTube for free, how to design high converting YouTube thumbnails if you want to do videos, how to get free traffic from YouTube lives, from YouTube comments, commenting on other people's videos, from Reddit, from Craigslist, from webinar solos and creative webinars as well. So all of the traffic there that you're going to need, all the different traffic sources in there as well. And when plugged in with our bonus, that is a real huge bundle. Email marketing, so it's going to touch on email marketing, okay? How to actually set up autoresponders, how to create opt-in pages, email marketing tutorials, all of these things here as well. Paid traffic, introduction to paid advert, free Google ads credit, how to run YouTube ads, how to run Gmail ads, and of course in the bonus I'm giving you Facebook ads. So you're also going to be covered on the paid traffic front with all of that training. You've also got then the mastermind. Okay, so you can go through here. This is 2+ hours of masterminds talking about generating leads, talking about Airbnb and Facebook and all of these different things here, different sources that you've got that you're going to be able to use. All right. I also recommend you take a look at Matthew's ebook. This is quite cool. He's a very, very interesting guy. He believes that, he actually doesn't follow anybody on social media, but everyone seems to, he has a lot of followers that follow him. He doesn't tend to use his phone at all. He thinks that you should, block out completely all your internet apart from what you're trying to focus on. So have a read through it. I was quite pleasantly surprised with reading his ebook. It's quite long. It's going to take you a little while to go through. But it's well worth a read. I think it's a pretty decent piece of content. So have a read of that one. Of course, you can pick up any of the upgrades here if you have missed them. And that's pretty much everything that you're going to get there. Lots of training, helpful little software that's going to help you to find those, what they call ugly ducklings, okay? Those little opportunities that you've got there to profit, all inside of one dashboard. All of those bonuses there as well when you pick it up using the link down below. Now, of course, if you've got any comments, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. I'd be more than happy to come down there, help you guys out. Otherwise, thanks for watching all the way through to the end of this video. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed the content. Smash that subscribe button, click the bell to be notified about up and coming product launches, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.